Hi, this is Peony Prashanti from the Emogi House. A long time ago I bought me this grain grinder, and you can put whole oats in there, brown rice. I don't like brown rice and I eat white rice, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put white rice in here and grind it up. This builds muscle. So while you're grinding, it goes down through there and it comes out over here, and it has different settings here, 1, 2, and 3, and I got it on really fine because I just love cream of rice. Back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. And all the rice is blended, grinded, and this comes off. And when you get tired of doing it with your left hand, you can always do it with the right hand. Build up muscle. Oh, look at that. It's a little messy. And look at this nice fine powder I'm going to have for breakfast tomorrow. Cook it with some nut milk and add some cinnamon and some ginger because it's getting cold. After it's all grinded, if you want to do brown rice, this is really nice because the outer part of the brown rice is in here, and then when you lift up the screen, there's a screen on the other side. See, all the softer part goes, the softer part, I don't know what you call it, the bran goes through here. Okay, I'm gonna make some porridge now. So I've decided to just use water only because I didn't have any nut milk ready. You can also make this with green tea or some apple juice or even cow milk. So I have about less than a cup of water, and I'm going to just put 2 heaping spoons, soup spoon, of the rice meal, and let that boil. And what tastes really good, and it's actually good to have when it gets cold, is some salt. Because salt has the ability to go deep within and retain the heat in the body. And if you want it soupy, then add more water. If you want it thick like rice meal, then add less water. You have to just adjust it. So let that cook in a little bit, and I'll be back. Okay, it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. And if you don't have 10 minutes, you can always soak this overnight and then cook it in the morning. And I'm going to add my favorite dried mango cheeks. Turn the heat off and let this get to know each other. And it's going to plump up, and I will have a wonderful breakfast. Thanks for watching.